I started with one question: which markets in Latin America should we prioritize next? ChatGPT Work pulled together market research, account data, customer trends, and past strategy work to build this recommendation deck. Something like this used to take me days to pull together. Hi, I'm Arvind. I work in business strategy at OpenAI. Today, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT Work to create a strategy deck for our business across Latin America. First, I open the ChatGPT desktop app and switch to ChatGPT Work. You can also do this on web. Then I start with the business question we're focused on answering. Next, I connect my tools through plugins so ChatGPT can pull in relevant research, customer data, and previous reports. I also add in our company slide template. I asked ChatGPT to make a plan and propose a storyline before building the deck. Finally, I review the storyline, check the numbers and sources, refine the recommendations, and approve the final readout. I use ChatGPT Work because I needed to handle the task end-to-end, from analyzing data to producing reports. Finally, when it's ready, I ask ChatGPT to put this all together in a business expansion readout with market context, customer analysis, supporting tables, and recommended next steps. That's how partnering with ChatGPT Work helps me go from a business question to a complete strategy.